Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about function overloading with single dispatch in Python. So here if you see, we have one function called prettyprint, and when we are passing different data type, I want output in different format. Like if I am passing a string, then output should be with single quotes. If it is a number, then it should be with comma separated, and if it is a list, then that list should be in different line, like 1, 2, 3, like that. Apart from these three data type, if there is any other type of data, then I want data as it is, like the last one where we are passing float number 3.14 and we are getting data as it is. So here we have prettyprint function with different data type like string, integer, list. Now in order to overload this function, we have to import single dispatch from functool. Now here we are going to define this prettyprint function, and first one is for generic use case, and in general we wanted to print the data as it is, and this function we are going to decorate with single dispatch. Now for each of these specific data type, we have to register this prettyprint function with their specific data type. So one of the data type is integer, one is string, and one is for list. So I have just copied it, and here just going to change. So now I have three different register, one for string. Now for this function name already given here, so it is just a placeholder where we are giving underscore and we're passing the argument. In case of a string, we wanted to print it with single quote. So with this, our string overload is complete. Now let's define for integer. In case of integer, we wanted to print it with comma separated. So that also we can do using F formatting. So now the last one is for list. So list I have to enumerate through this one so that I will get the index and data both. And so enumerate, then value, and finally print. Again I'm going to use the F string here. So use F string, give the index, and then dot, and then the number. With this, all the function overload completed. Run it. When you can see here different kind of output for different data type. Now same thing if I have a class. So here I have circle and rectangle class. In this case, only the register part I'm just passing circle and rectangle. If I run it, again it will behave differently. So thanks.